So I've been kind of beating myself up in the past for not putting out more garments in a month's time, but this time I'm really proud of myself. Welcome to the channel. I'm Tequila B, and today we're going to talk about my makes for January, February, and March. I did surprise myself a bit because I managed to put out 6 garments, 7 if you count one that's not really complete, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. So the first garment that I made, or 2 garments, shall I say, is a pair of joggers for my oldest and baby girl. Um, these pants, this one here, and they have this, I'm sorry, that's the back, and this is the front. These slanted pockets here. Show you the second pair. It's this one. They have cuffs on the end. I thought this pocket was going to be hard to do, but the way the instructions had you put it together, it was pretty simple and I enjoyed making them. I still have one more pair to make for my middle girl. This is the adult joggers pattern from Petite Stitchery and Company. I was also able to put out, well, actually 3 garments if you count the 7th garment that I was talking about, but we'll talk about the 2 that I was able to complete. This is the Oversized Tee by Ellie and Mac Patterns. This goes with my pair of joggers, also in this same material. It does have cuffs on the end and a bottom band, and this is actually the cropped version of that pattern. If you go back and watch the video to the set I made, you'll see why the neckline is a little wonky. The next thing that I made was my Valentine's Day dress, and I really love this dress. This is the Arlo turtleneck dress by Petite Stitchery and Company. I do love those patterns, and a lot of these patterns are free. She has a lot of good patterns on the site that are free and you can get. But what I liked most about this was the bishop sleeve. It was my first time doing a bishop sleeve and it came out great. There's a link in the description box for all of these makes. The third garment that I started in February, kind of completed in March, is the men's turtleneck sweater. I did actually complete it, but because of how it looked at the end, I do have to go back in and kind of make some adjustments and changes. I'm sorry about that. So that's why I'm not counting it in my completed makes, because I still need to go do some things and tweak it for it to really be complete and final. For the month of March, I was able to put out 2 garments. This one, I kind of gave a sneak peek on a community post, but it took me a while to complete it because my daughter was being difficult with getting measured, remeasured, should I say, because we measured before and it came out too big and we had to go back in. But anyway, this is the Aaronica dress. It is a seamwork pattern, and I made this for my baby girl. And yes, I did use contrasting thread here, but it's okay because it's on the inside and no one will see it. I didn't feel like changing out the thread in my serger. Forgive me. I have not hemmed it yet. That is the only thing, but this dress was pretty easy. And I'll have a full review for you on it coming soon. The last and final thing that I made in March was this pencil skirt. And I did make this for St. Patrick's Day. Um, I used a self-drafted pattern, but using my own measurements. It has an elasticized waist, and this is on a hanger like this because it has been to the cleaners. And this is how they did it. That's okay. Anyway, I didn't hem this either, but I am going to go in and give it a nice clean hem and finish. I really enjoyed that skirt. I have plans to make a top to go with it, not in green, but I'll share that with you later. If you are interested in learning to sew, check out the link in the description box below to the Sew It Academy. I guarantee you won't regret it. You'll love it. You'll love everything that you learn. I hope you have enjoyed everything you've seen here. And if you want to see more content like this, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll know the next time I upload a video. And until next time, see it, make it, slay it.